Hello everyone, this is my short reflection on the course Emerging Learning Technologies, which I completed last semester at University of Florida. Our instructor was Dr. L. I truly enjoyed Dr. L's course because his course is always full of practice and hands-on experience. Let me explain you my key takeaways from this course. At the beginning of the course, we studied about objectives, and at the end of the course, we are able to discuss about theoretical frameworks of emerging learning technology, and we applied instructional design strategies to our several projects. We implemented AR, VR, AI, and 3D modeling. Also, we are able managing equipment and software of this application. And at the end of the course, we discussed about technology leadership models. At the beginning of the course, we created our digital portfolio for applying all our projects which completed we during this course, individual as well as team project, for example, AR, VR, 3D modeling, and AI. And the course started with studying theoretical frameworks and models of emerging learning technology. One of my favorite tasks was comparing theoretical frameworks related to ELT to understand the educational implication of emerging learning technology. And we then applied the EDI model to the instructional design of projects involving AR, VR, and 3D modeling. One of big project which I enjoyed in this course was Design AR project. I completed this project with my classmate Hannah. We are history teachers. And we prepared, of course, a lesson on ancient Egypt in AR. We searched through many applications, and the main trouble we faced was that many platforms and applications applied to math and science subjects. However, we researched and found out Web AR Studio application, and we created our project. You can scan here QR code and use this trigger picture to look our project. Next, it was VR project, and we used virtual reality technology in collaboration with my classmates Kalila and Hannah. We designed a meaningful learning experience based on VR immersive content for students and staff at the University of Florida about field and fork pantry. In the 360 VR video, we visually explain the system of pantry, how to access it, and the benefits of the food pantry. Let me explain pros and cons AR and VR for me as a Cat-12 teacher. For me, AR technology is more beneficial because of accessibility and low cost comparing to VR, which had high cost. And AR as a VR, of course, also engagement and interactivity, but VR has limited content and less interactivity. AR is better beneficial and comfortable by using because AR has easy integration and VR had complex setup and maintains. Another key takeaway from the course was the experience of creating three-dimensional objects, modeling and printing. In class, we tried the Z-Space mixed reality demonstration and visited 3D printing lab at UF. As a history teacher, I prepared an instructional design for the 3D modeling and printing of the national clothing of Kazakh nations during the Middle Age. this experience was very helpful for me in combining it with the AR project. We had the option to design our own 3D model or use pre-made models from various platforms. I attempted to create my model using the software Tinkercad, but it was a time-consuming process. Nonetheless, I am really excited to learn how to create models and print them, because this skill is very helpful for animation and gamification in middle school and even in high school. We have also learned about the implication of artificial intelligence on learning and creativity. During this session, we had two amazing guest speakers, Dr. Rahimi and Dr. Shin. That was incredible session. And during a discussion about AI, we worked in the team and discussed about ethical concerns, challenges, issues, and consideration AI in educational settings. One of the last classes was about tech leadership, strategy, policy, and ethical consideration. We had a guest speaker, Dr. Walter Bowser. The session with Dr. Walter Bowser and discussions on leadership models and policies emphasized strategic planning, ethical decision-making, and fostering innovation in educational technology. The last class we discussed about exploring trends, issues, and implications for online learning, such as the Internet of Things, learning analytics, gamification, educational robotics, and wearables. In teams in class, we discussed current practices, challenges, and the process of integrating ELT into online learning. Last part of my reflection will be about suggestion for future ELT course and curriculum. Artificial intelligence is a rapidly growing field in education and its application in emerging learning technology, and I would like to suggest maybe it will be useful to include in the curriculum AI-driven personalized learning, AI in educational games and simulation, and partly gamification part. Because gamification is a powerful tool in the context of ELT, and it can significantly enhance students' engagement, motivation, and learning outcomes. That's all. Thank you very much.